Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today's featured recipe is a super cheesy and absolutely delicious mac and cheese. This mac and cheese is my son's favorite. It consists of cheddar cheese as well as an Applewood Smoked Gruyere Cheese. Makes an incredible difference. I'm also going to be topping this mac and cheese with a caprese salad, if you will. So tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella cheese. So let's take a look at how I put together this super delicious, very cheesy mac and cheese. Okay, so I have the oven being preheated at a 375-degree Fahrenheit temperature. The next thing I want to start with is making the cheese sauce. You want to stir the sauce until it's nice and smooth. While the sauce is cooking, I have the pasta going. 2.5 cups or half a pound of penne pasta. Pasta is ready. I'm going to dump this into the pasta sauce. Smells so good. Looks so creamy. Okay, I'm wilting the tomatoes and basil. Okay, our beautiful mac and cheese sauce is ready. And I think this is about a 4-quart bowl. I always want to use a sheet pan. I have it lined with some silicone. I do that so that cleanup is easy if anything drips on the pan. So let's get with the assembly. I'm actually pouring half of the mac in here, and I have a half a cup of Gruyere cheese left, so I'm going to sprinkle that on here. And then you want to add the remaining mac and cheese. Get all that sauce in. Want to sprinkle the wilted tomato, and I'm going to glob with some mozzarella cheese, otherwise it's not a caprese mac and cheese. And then last but not least, with the breadcrumbs, or cracker crumbs rather. Time to get this amazing cheesy mac and cheese into the oven. Okay guys, the mac and cheese is ready. I could just smell the deliciousness and the cheesiness in this house. Nice, bubbly, absolutely smells delicious and looks very gooey, cheesy. Okay, beautiful people, it smells so yummy, as I always say. Looks delicious, looks creamy. It's absolutely perfect. That yummy Applewood smokiness from the Gruyere cheese, incredible. Lumps of mozzarella cheese, like this is the ultimate mac and cheese. I hope you will try this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and click on the icon on my left You're right. To get the details of this recipe in writing, mouse on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking.